Amy from Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to add fringe to the end of your project. So sometimes if you are making a bag or a blanket or a scarf, you want to add some fringe on the end. I'll show you how to do that quickly. What you're going to want to do is have your finished product or project and then cut some even pieces of whatever color you're going to use. Just make sure they're even. You can do that by just kind of wrapping them around your hand or a piece of cardboard or something like that, and get a bunch of fringe together. And then here we go. So let's say there's two ways to do it. I'll show you. You can either use your fingers or use a hook. If I'm doing more strands, sometimes you want to do maybe 3 pieces in each stitch across or every other stitch. I like to finish it with my hand. It just seems a little bit easier. So what you're going to do is put your hook, grab your strands, first of all, however many you want. You could do 1, 2, 3, however many in each stitch, and just kind of fold them in half and hold them in your hand. Okay, and you're going to put your hook through whatever stitch you want to put the fringe in. Put your hook through and then grab the loop and just pull it through. Kind of turn your hook and pull the loop through. Make sure you have all the strands. And then this is how I do it with my fingers. I just put my fingers in here and grab the ends and pull them through. And then you can just secure it like that, and you have fringe on the end there. Okay, now if you want to do it with your hook, I'll show you that way. And I like to use the hook. With the bulkier yarn, it's kind of hard to get all around all the hook, or to get the hook around all the yarn. So I'll show you with one piece how to do the with the hook. But if you're using a thinner yarn, it shouldn't be a problem. So the same thing, just hold your yarn around your finger so that it's in half, and go through whatever stitch you want. Grab your yarn and pull it through, and then what you're going to do is just do as you would a chain. So just like if you're chaining up a project, just make sure you get around both of these pieces. Pull it through just like you would a chain and keep pulling, and then your fringe is on like that. So that's how you add fringe to a project. And from here, once you put all your fringe on, then you can go ahead and kind of give it a haircut and cut it to whatever length you want. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give this video a like, and if you'd like to subscribe, that would be wonderful. If you have any suggestions for other videos that I could do, or anything that you'd like to see, I do have some stitches and some patterns available. You can check those out, but please leave a comment below. Let me know if this was helpful and if there's anything else you'd like to see. Thanks so much. Have a good day.